Hi. So you're curious about these 5 little ornaments that I found on YouTube. I gotta tell you, I was impressed with how easy these patterns are. And they're perfect for advanced beginners. I can't wait to share them with you. Hi, I'm Darlene, and this is Heartfelt Crochets. And this is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. If at the end of this video, if you've liked it, and you have found it to be helpful, then please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So over the weekend, I was searching for some new tutorials on YouTube that I have never tried, and I found 5 little crochet ornaments that I really wanted to try so that I could share them with you guys and help you narrow down your search if you're looking for some really quick and easy ornaments just before Christmas to put on your tree or decorate in your home. So I want to start with this adorable little Christmas tree ornament. Now this is made out of puff stitches. And I just thought that it was the most prettiest, delicate looking crochet Christmas tree ever. And this tutorial is put out by the channel Desert Blossom. Next on the list is this really cute Christmas wreath. Now, I would not have thought of making this wreath this way if I was coming up with a new idea myself. I don't know if this person actually came up with this idea, but it is really simple, quick and easy, very quick. And this wreath tutorial is on the channel Vicky Handmade. Next is this little Christmas stocking. And I went ahead and I followed the tutorial just as she did it, and she used a key ring. So you can put it on your tree using the key ring, or you could just put a little chain stitch at the end of this to hang it on your tree. It's totally up to you. But this is on a key ring, and it is this adorable little Christmas stocking. And this stocking has a little cuff. It is so cute. And it is one of the easiest patterns that I have found online for a beginner. So cute. You get your practice in changing colors on this one. This tutorial is put out by the channel Tiny Crochet Lab. Hi, I'd like to take a moment and interrupt this video just to let you know that you can become a member of my channel for only $4.99 a month, recurring payments, and you can cancel at any time. It's a great way to show that you are enjoying the content of my channel, and I super appreciate your support. Or you can just choose to buy me a coffee. Both the membership link and the buy me a coffee link is in the description box below, and I thank you so much ahead of time. Now let's get back to the video. Next, this one is a little big. If I would have went down a couple sizes of the crochet hook, it probably would have came out the size of an actual candy. But it's this spiral Christmas candy, really cute. Makes me want to go out and buy the actual peppermint spiral candies. And this is a lot easier than what you would think. This tutorial is put out by the channel Handmade with Love. Really, really adorable. I love this one. And last but not least, everybody loves candy canes, and a lot of people want to put candy canes on their tree. Well, this will help decorate it just a little bit. And it's this candy cane holder. Again, really good for advanced beginners. Brings you out of your comfort zone just a little bit if you haven't dealt with a lot of double crochets yet. And this is in a lot of increases and decreases. This is really fun. And this tutorial is put out by the channel Crochet Jewel. And each one of these channels has other tutorials that I think that you'll be really, really interested in. And all of these links to these 5 really cute Christmas ornaments are in the description box below. Give me a comment. Let me know if you went ahead and crocheted any of these. And if you have other ideas of Christmas ornaments that you want to share, throw it down in the comments below. And until next time, bye.